Hello YouTube, this is Safi Variety Channel. I'm going to talk to you guys how to create a virtual machine on Windows platform. So let's start searching which virtual machine is the best. Which application is the best to install the virtual machine on it. Alright, so according to the Tech Radar, the number one is Workstation Pro. So let's do how to download it. So this is the site, you can download it. But I have already downloaded, so let's create the Windows and choose the topical option. And so we can install from a disk or we can install from an ISO file. But if you're installing from a Microsoft Evaluation, so you have to choose the last one, otherwise you will get the error. So let's show you guys the error and then come back and start properly. So as this is the evaluation, I don't have the key and I don't provide the other things, so I have to go ahead and install and show you guys how it is. So this is the maximum disk space I have to provide it. The advantage of virtual machine, we can have different operating system on Windows or Windows Server. So let's finalize the Windows installation. So here we have data center and standard edition, both with the GUI and without GUI. GUI means user interface. So I will choose the GUI option, graphical user interface, and this is the error. It says we don't have license from Microsoft. So let's cancel this and go ahead and install again. Come here. Next, choose the last one. Means we will set up the configuration and then install from there. So this is the Windows server and this is the location. Next, so I will give 40 megabyte maximum space for this virtual machine. Next, and finished. So let's power on the virtual machine and finalize the installation. So once we get this error, sometimes we can get this error. The solution for this is to go to the disk and choose the ISO, because I have an ISO file and the location of ISO file I have already downloaded. This is it, and then hit the OK button. Alright, so here we can choose the language of the Windows and the keyboard layout. I will leave it as it is. Next. So it's take a while. Alright, so we'll choose the second option, or the graphical user interface. It means we can see and we can go by mouse whenever to open. If we choose the first option, so we have to deal with like open, close, and the black screen. That's the CMD file. So choose the license agreement and install the not upgrade option, the customize, because we don't have already the Windows installed. So we have to go and choose the partition of the disk. Alright, it take a while. I will pause the video and come back once it's done. Alright, so yeah, the Windows is finalized. It's going to be restarted, and once it's restarted, we have to go and provide a password and go inside the virtual machine. Alright, so here I have to type the password for the user. The user is the default administrator, and then we can create the other user if you want. Alright, I have to provide a password to go inside the Windows. Thanks for watching Safi Variety channel, and subscribe please. Bye.